Underneath for SkyDrive, for sale na po. Ayan, konti na lang ang i-repair. So, paparepair ko muna para mas maganda pag ibinenta. Ayan, lights are perfectly working. Salpak na lang yan. Ayan, re-repair pa to kasi ayan, may mga scratches. Then, linis. So, flat black na lang to. Ilaw, may ilaw naman ang tama. Ito yung ayan, yung ilaw niya for tail light. So, ito yung tail light na wait, second tail light, and then for the brake light, ito, kung be-brake kayo, ito yung 24, bali 48 LED lights yan. Magbe-brake, ganyan ang itsura nya. Brake, LED light, and then brake light. Ilagay ko na lang din yung brake light dyan. Okay. Then, tapos yung ayan, for signal light. Ito siya. Ayan, signal light. Signal light. Kabilang signal light. Tumilaw din siya ng ayan. Ayan. So, ito yung nakikita nyo is brake light. Ulitin ko lang, tail light. 21 LED lights yan. Yung brake light, pag nag-brake is 48 LED lights. Then, for signal light and lakas ng ilaw, perfectly working. So, repair na lang ang kulang. I'm going to sell this for 3,500 together with the plate holder. Ayun lang mga kapatid. PM lang kung sino may gusto. Maraming salamat. Reason for selling is balik muna ako sa stock kasi mas malapad tignan yung stock ko. So, ayun muna. Salamat.